This isn't the fanciest thing that I've ever built, but this is a little 3D printed bracket that sits on the back of my boring bar in the quick change tool post. The bracket has a little rubber band section here that's clamped on, and through it is this bike spoke, which has some electrical tape on it to keep it from poking through. The whole point of this is that the bike spoke tip is sharp and can stick into this little tiny punch mark that I've got on the metal here that I'm trying to center. See if I can get back into focus here. So that actually looks pretty centered, but if you go back here to the long end of this, because I've got a nice long lever arm, you can see that it's just slightly moving as I rotate this thing. So it's not quite centered yet. This setup is called a wiggler, and it allows you a very high degree of accuracy in finding a punch mark and forcing it to be collinear with the lathe axis of rotation. The adjustment of this in a 4-jaw chuck isn't actually all that easy. It's just not obvious, but the indication is really fantastic.